Here's my kitty cat. Oop. He's a dragon. Real good cat. I like him. Because, when I first found him, he was like 7 pounds, and, he was on the street, and it was really sad, so I took him home with me, which is nice. And we took him to the vet and everything. He's a good cat. I'm gonna miss you, kitty. He's a good boy. He still weighs a little bit, so you have to get him some help. He's a good cat, though. He's strong. We call him Dragon because he's lucky. Lucky to have found a nice home. So. This video is about you, kitty. Ooh, who doesn't like him? Who doesn't like you? Oh, yeah, he's so nice. Yeah. Looking right at me. Huh? Yeah. This is my favorite cat. Miss him so much. Well, I don't have favorites because I have 2 cats that are really nice. Yeah. He's so funny. He climbs on the table and he eats only soft food because his teeth are really tender. Oh. No. Okay. I had to pick the cat up real quick. It's falling. He's got his nails in my shoulder. Ooh, kitty, kitty. Oh. It's camera shy, huh? My favorite guy, though. Yeah. Mom calls him Mufasa. I don't know why.
Bucks a lot.
He reminds me, that was my brother. This was supposed to go on YouTube, but I don't know now. Hi, this is Orlando. Oh, wait.